Hi all, welcome to Rajesh Virtual School. In this video, we are going to see how to create a flow action for designing UI screen using Pega. Okay, in our previous videos, we have seen how to create a properties, how to create a section and how to embed the property into section. That means how to call the property function into the section. Okay, but while we did that, in section, while we did the preview for that, we just got the screen like without having the buttons like save, submit or cancel whatever. That means we are unable to process the transaction after creating the section. Why? Because in that section there is no transaction available. If we want to transact, initiate the transaction, we need to create a flow action and flow. Let's see how to create a flow action in this video. Okay, simple. Before going to that, I'll show you the preview of the section. So first we created in data model category, we created properties, and in user interface category, we created section. Let me open the section and okay, sorry, drag down here. This is our section. So we can preview it. This is the screen we have created, but there is no submit or save cancel button here because we did not create flow action or flow to execute the transaction. So in this video, I am going to create a flow action and embed the section category into the flow action category. Okay, all right. Close all. All right. I'm refreshing. Refresh all. Right click on here and create. Flow action is in process category. So flow action. Take the screenshot if you want. Okay. Flow action. So what is my flow action? Student details flow action. So it is the part of framework application. Okay. Done. Create and open. Here we need to give the section. What is my section? Just click down arrow and student details section. Double click on it, it will apply. Okay, if you want to edit parameters, we can click on here and edit it. That's a different story. That will go to that property category only because we are sorry, a section category, because we are embedding the section category into the flow action category. That's why it will open the section category. After that, if we click on here, it will open the property category. That's different story, but those things can be viewed by live UI. I'll show you later. Okay, those things are not necessary now. This is the way how to create a flow action category. We can do the changes as well after clicking on action category and all. I'll show you after creating the flow. Okay. Okay, we'll meet in next video. If you have any doubts, let me know. Okay, before that we need to save it. Is it saved or not? How to see? Just refresh all. Click here. Okay, process category. This is my flow action. Okay, in next video, I'll show you how to create a flow. Until then, bye bye. Signing off, Rajesh Balaka.